For my 60th video, I'm going to focus on a question that was put to me by one of my subscribers by the name of Hi Colorado. But I do wish to answer your question, and sorry it's taken so long. You, Hi Colorado, were one of my first subscribers, and I owe very much to your support and kindness. You've gone from being a subscriber to being a great friend, and I'm lucky enough to be able to say that about many of the people whom I've met on YouTube. So, on to the question, ladies and gents. I seem to say that a lot. I sound like a ringmaster or something. He made the observation that I have a fantastic family, and asked me to speak about some of my favourite life memories or family events. And it immediately brought to mind a few things. As I was saying, my uncle once owned a property in rural New South Wales, which has since been sold off, or parts of it anyway. And my dad and my uncle shared a passion for motorbikes, and this property was particularly rugged in terms of the ground. It's about as close as I've ever come to what most of you probably imagine as Australia, you know, rugged bush country, a lot of dirt, some sort of grassy parts, blue sky, rocks, some snakes, you know, all that kind of thing. The archetypal sort of Aussie bush setting. That was Colo. Anyhow, I had the privilege of being able to sit on the back of either my dad's or my uncle's motorbike, and we would ride through the bush. Sometimes I would ride with my uncle, and sometimes I would ride with my dad. But my cousin would be beside me, always on the other bike. There were two of them. My uncle would be on one, and my dad would be on the other. And my cousin would be on one bike, and I would be on the other. But I had a special bucket seat built especially for me. So I developed a fondness for motorbikes, and that particular aspect of motorbikes at an early age, because I could always ride on the back of my dad's bike or my uncle's bike, and we used to take long rides through the bush. It was incredible, fantastic. I don't think that time can ever be recreated or recaptured. I'm far too big now to fit in the seat anyway. We're talking many years ago, at least 10 years ago. But it was a beautiful time and a beautiful memory, and despite its rugged appearance, Colo was to me a beautiful place because I got to be on my uncle's motorbike and ride through the Australian bush. So I guess that wraps it up nicely. I'll see you later.